Hi, hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene and I like to share all things shopping, beauty, decor, and more. And today I have something in the beauty department, and this is something that I've never shared yet before on my channel. So I just show you what I got here. This is package from the Macy's Beauty Box. So anyway, here we go. So let's get to it. I also want to mention that in this, in the beauty box, it says prepare to be pampered. This is $5 off a $20 purchase at Macy's. So I do like that because I do like their cosmetic department a lot. I like other things there too. But anyway, so I might be able to put that to you. So that kind of, that's like kind of like $5 off your bag if you're going to use it. So, okay, friends, I saw the April Macy's Beauty Box and fell in love with it. So I signed up just around the first week in April and was thinking I might still get the April box, but you have to sign up. Anyway, you get the next month once you sign up. So my first box is the May 2024 box. And so here we go. I did take a peek, and I wasn't super excited this time, but I'm going to give this box a chance. So I'm going to get it for 2 or 3 months, and if I like it, I'll keep it. If I don't, then I might give it up. But anyway, since this was out of the paper, I'm going to open this first. This is a pretty little pouch. Just kind of a soft, just a light pink color. And like a powdery pink, and it's an eye mask. So there we go. Very satin, very puffy. I don't really use these, but you know what, I might. This one seems like a really nice one, probably one of the nicer ones I've had. So that was the first thing. I like that. Now let's get into the tissue here and open it up here. And now a Macy's Beauty Box does, they do give, they give a lot. Well, I don't say a lot, but you always have a variety of makeup and skincare. Now this one did not have makeup, so I was a little disappointed with that because I really like the makeup products. I go to my Allure Beauty Box for my skincare usually, but I liked it. I'm liking that this box will have a variety. So it does have something for the body, for the hair, a perfume. So anyway, let's get started. The first thing here is SK2. This is a facial treatment mask. I don't know much about it. I'm not huge on facial masks, but this one has a high value. I'll put the price up here, what it's valued at. So it's got to be good, right? If anyone's going to pay that price for it. So anyway, that's the first thing. I am going to try it, but just one mask isn't like my favorite thing. These are all sample size products, by the way. So the second thing I have in here is from Strivectin, and this is SD Advanced Plus Intensive Moisturizer for wrinkles and stretch marks. So it's just a sample size, but I have wrinkles and stretch marks, so I guess I could try that. So that's the second item I have. The third item I'm picking up here is Bumble and Bumble BB Hairdresser. Let's see. Intensive Oil Mask. Now this is a hair mask for really dry hair. My hair tends to be really dry normally, like especially when I curl it a lot. So I will use this. I'm actually kind of excited about this, to have this now. All right, so the next thing I have here is from It Cosmetics. This is Confidence in a Cream. This is their moisturizer, and I do like It Cosmetics. I think I've tried the moisture in a cream. There's what it looks like. It kind of looks just like a water mask, but it says it's moisturizer. So light scent, like it. So there's that. The next thing I have here, this is almost too small for me to see exactly what it is, but this is Lancome Advanced. This is cream fondant, Absolute. Doesn't say lewd, it says Absolute. And I don't know. It sounds like it's a moisturizer, but I'm not really sure. If anyone uses this or knows much about this, let me know what you think of it. So it's a very small sample. So there's that. And then the next thing I have, this is the 6th item. So I think there is 7 items in here. So 8, if you count this. So anyway, so the 6th item is Kopari, and this is a body oil, golden Allure body oil. Now this has little golden specks in it. I don't know if you can see it in the... Anyway, I'm actually really excited about this, especially for summer. So just a little bit of oil on your skin can just makes you, I don't know. I like the look. So anyway, I am excited about that. So that's a body oil. And the last thing I have here is just a sample of Good Girl. This is the Carolina Herrera. So this is the shoe, the perfume that looks like a shoe. And I actually sampled this and I love it. Like, I loved it enough that I would want to buy it. So, and I have my favorite perfumes, but this one just has a really good scent. Anyway, if you haven't smelled this, go try it. It says powerful and provocative, has almond, tuberose, jasmine, tonka bean, and cocoa. Oriental, seductive, and strong. Now, those scents don't sound really that exciting to me, but I really like this perfume. So I've tended to like Oriental type perfumes in the past. So anyway, there's that. And so we've got a perfume, we've got a hair product, we've got a body oil, we've got some anti-aging wrinkle moisturizer products, and we've got a bougie facial mask here. So there's our items along with the sleeping mask. So anyway, 8 items, so not bad for 8 samples. The Macy's Beauty Box, I believe, is $15 a month. Like I said, you get both beauty and makeup, and so just samples, but sometimes they're, you know, really good size samples, but things to try. So I'm going to give this subscription box a chance. Going to give it 2 or 3 months and just see how I like it. I really wished I would have got April's, because I thought I can't remember what was so great about it. But when I saw someone open April's, it's like, okay, I'm signing up. So anyway, we'll see what we have next month in the Macy's Beauty Box. So what do you think? Do you like it? Do you get Macy's Beauty Box? What's your overall thoughts on it? I'd love to hear. So thank you for being here. I appreciate your support. I would love it if you subscribe. If you're already a subscriber, thank you. Like this video and subscribe if you wish. I would love the support. I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers. So help me out there. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.